Hello my dear children, I hope you all are safe at your places. Welcome to Science class. In today's class, we will be learning about chapter number 8, whose title is Be Safe, Follow Rules. So children, in this chapter we are going to learn about some safety rules that we must follow when we are in different places, like when we are in home, when we are in streets, when we are in school. There are certain rules and regulations that we must follow to keep ourselves safe. So children, let's learn about the chapter in details. Children, we must be very careful while doing our work. Now, let's learn about some safety rules to be followed when we are at our homes. So, when we are at our home, the safety rules are: do not keep your toys scattered. Children, we many a times play with different kinds of toys, isn't it? But when we play with the toys, we must keep it back into the place from where we have taken them. The toys should not be scattered all over the floor. It may cause accident. The next rule is: do not play with sharp things. Children, we know how hazardous the sharp things are, like knives, blades, scissors. If we touch them, we may get hurt by them. So, always be careful while handling the sharp things. We must not touch them alone. Next, never ever touch the electric plug. Children, electricity may cause even death. If a person gets an electric shock, he or she may suffer from serious diseases. At the same time, immediately it may cause death. Next point is: never play with matchsticks, firecrackers. You may get burnt. So stay away. The next point to be safe at home is: do not climb up or down the stairs hurriedly. It may cause accident. You may slip down the stairs and you may get hurt. Next is: do not take medicines alone. Children, never take any medicines in the absence of any adult. Never climb up on stools or chairs alone. You may fall from there and get hurt badly. So these are some of the points which we must follow. Children, let's learn about some safety rules to be followed when we are at school. So children, number one safety rule that we must follow when we are at school is: do not push your friend while playing. Children, always remember that to keep us and our near ones safe, we must not push any friend. Many times while we play, we forget that we must not push, we must not pull the friend, but we always must be careful regarding this push and pull thing, otherwise we may get hurt. Next, never climb on the desks. Children, desks are provided for our study purpose, for writing purpose. So we must use it in the proper manner. We must not climb on the desk, otherwise we will fall down and we may get hurt. Next, play only in the playground. Children, never ever play in the classroom, otherwise the benches are provided there and they have sharp ends, and while playing in the classroom we may get hurt. So always remember to play in the playground only. Next, don't spill water on classroom floor. If we spill water on the classroom floor, children, what will happen? Yes, we will slip on the floor and we may get hurt in the different parts of our body. Next, do not throw banana skin. Children, we know that banana skin is very slippery. If we throw them here and there, rather than throwing it inside the dustbin, then we may step on that banana skin and fall down on the floor. So children, this may hurt us. Next, never go alone in the swimming pool. Children, swimming pool is a very dangerous area. So it has a deep water. So we must not go there alone. Under the supervision of the elders and teachers, then only we can go to the swimming pool. So children, these are some of the rules we must follow when we are at school. Now children, coming to the next segment of this chapter, when we know the rules about the safety at home, let's learn about some rules and regulations to be followed when we are on the road. So safety rules to be followed on road are: number 1 is always walk on footpath. Children, whenever you are on the road, you must walk on the footpath, not on the main road. It may cause accident. Next point is cross the road when the pedestrian light is green using zebra crossing. So children, whenever you need to cross the road from one side to the other side, you must cross through the zebra crossing. The white and the black stripes present on the road, that particular pathway is known as zebra crossing. So you must take the zebra crossing while crossing the road from one side to the other, and always use and see that the pedestrian light is always green, then only you can cross the road. The next point to be safe on the road is do not play, walk or run on the road. It may cause accident with the running vehicles on the main road. So always be safe while walking or talking on the road. Do not use mobile phones or do not run unnecessarily on the main road. Next point is walking or cycling in the wrong side is dangerous. So children, walking or cycling in the wrong side may cause accident. So you may get hurt in that case. So be very careful while you're cycling on the road. Maintain the correct side while walking and cycling on the road. Let's learn about an interesting topic, that is first aid. What do you mean by first aid, children? Aid means help. So the first help provided to an injured person is called first aid. Immediate care or help given to an injured person before the doctor arrives is called first aid. So children, many a times when we are at school or at streets, many times we find some people gets injured. So what to do in that case before the doctor arrives? We must know certain rules and regulations related to the first aid, so that we can save the life of that injured person. Now children, there are certain rules to follow the first aid. Let's learn them one by one. If your friend gets hurt, then how will you help him or her? The number 1 point is help him or her to sit in a comfortable position. Children, we must try to make the injured person to sit in a proper position first. Then wash the wound with water. Wherever the person gets injured, we must try them to get washed with the cold water. Then apply antiseptic lotion and bandage the wound. We must cover the wound as fast as possible after applying the antiseptic lotion. Children, if you find that the condition is serious, then you must immediately inform your elders and always remember to inform the doctor regarding the incident. Always remember, never ever make a crowd around the injured person. Otherwise, that wounded person will feel suffocated. Always remember, children, to keep a first aid box ready at home or wherever you travel. You must carry a first aid box. If someone gets fainted, please sprinkle water on the face and then call the doctor immediately. So these are some of the rules we must follow while applying first aid, and when we are at school, when we are at home, and even when we are on the roads, we must follow certain rules and regulations to keep ourselves safe. So children, I hope this chapter is clear to all of you all. See you in the next class. Till then, stay safe. Thank you.